Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your solenoid, your shift solenoid assembly. It's also your idler solenoid assembly. It's complete assembly. And this is on a Dodge 2500 with a 5-speed automatic. It does have overdrive, and it's also 4-wheel drive. And there's just a handful of bolts you got to take off the solenoid assembly once you take the valve body assembly out of the transmission. One bolt right there, one there, one there, one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. And then you lift the whole assembly off. Oh, and you also undo the one right here on the back of this bracket and undo this one. Then you flip it over, and there's 2 bolts about dead center right there holding this metal bracket to the solenoid assembly. Let's get those undone. We'll be right back with you.